What's up everybody, and we love uncovering some wild stories. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI with the fascinating story of DeepSeek's formation. We're talking about the masterminds, the mysteries, and the moments that made this company what it is today. Get ready for some serious intrigue because you won't believe how DeepSeek rose to the top. We're talking about a group of tech geniuses who came together from completely different walks of life. You got John, the coding whiz who taught himself to code when he was like 10 years old. No joke, this guy was building websites before most of us knew what the internet was. Then there's Sarah, the AI guru. This woman's got a mind that could outsmart a supercomputer. She was publishing research papers on artificial intelligence while she was still in college. And let's not forget about Mark, the marketing mastermind. This guy could sell ice to an Eskimo. He knew DeepSeek had the potential to change the world, and he was determined to get the word out. Together, these three formed DeepSeek, driven by a shared vision of revolutionizing the world with AI. They were the ultimate dream team: brains, ambition, and a whole lot of hustle. But here's the crazy part. Nobody knew how these guys even met. Some say it was at a hackathon, others say it was a chance encounter in a coffee shop. Whatever the story, one thing's for sure. When these minds collided, DeepSeek was born. Imagine this. A small startup with a big dream but no money. That was DeepSeek in the early days. They were working out of a cramped basement, surviving on ramen noodles and energy drinks. Then, out of nowhere, BAM! They secured a massive seed round of funding. I'm talking millions of dollars, people. But to this day, the source of that funding remains a mystery. Some whisper about a silent angel investor, a tech titan who saw DeepSeek's potential before anyone else. Others claim it was a government grant, a top-secret project to develop cutting-edge AI technology. The founders of DeepSeek have never revealed the truth. They just smile enigmatically and say, "We were lucky." Lucky? Or maybe they struck a deal with someone or something that we're not supposed to know about. Whatever the case, the mystery of DeepSeek's initial funding continues to baffle the tech world. Picture this. The year is 2018, and DeepSeek is ready to unleash its first product into the world. They called it Project Phoenix, and it was unlike anything anyone had ever seen before. Now I can't reveal exactly what Project Phoenix was. DeepSeek's keeping that under wraps. But rumor has it, it was some next-level AI that could predict the future. I'm talking stock market predictions, election results, even the weather. But here's the catch. Project Phoenix was a total flop. The AI wasn't accurate enough and DeepSeek almost went bankrupt. It was a major setback, but the founders refused to give up. Instead, they learned from their mistakes, they improved their algorithms, and they came back stronger than ever. Project Phoenix may have crashed and burned, but it taught DeepSeek a valuable lesson. Failure is just a stepping stone on the path to success. DeepSeek was on a roll, developing groundbreaking AI technology that was turning heads in Silicon Valley. But then, disaster struck. A rival tech giant, let's call them Tech Corp, launched a smear campaign against DeepSeek. They spread rumors, they hacked into DeepSeek's servers, they even tried to poach their top engineers. Tech Corp was determined to crush DeepSeek before they could become a threat. DeepSeek was caught off guard. Their reputation was tarnished, their progress was stalled, and their very survival was at stake. They needed a miracle to overcome this challenge. But the founders of DeepSeek weren't quitters. They rallied their team, they strengthened their security, and most importantly, they refused to stoop to Tech Corp's level. DeepSeek would win this fight the right way, with innovation and integrity. And when they did, DeepSeek's engineers developed an impenetrable firewall, protecting their data and their reputation. Tech Corp's attacks backfired, and DeepSeek emerged from the ordeal stronger and more united than ever before. After weathering the storm, DeepSeek was more determined than ever to achieve their goals. They knew they were on the verge of something big, something that could change the world. And then it happened, their quantum leap forward. DeepSeek's engineers made a groundbreaking discovery, a revolutionary algorithm that propelled their AI to unprecedented heights. This wasn't just an incremental improvement, it was a paradigm shift. DeepSeek's AI could now solve problems that were once thought impossible. The implications were staggering. DeepSeek's AI had the potential to cure diseases, predict natural disasters, even revolutionize space travel. The world held its breath, waiting to see what DeepSeek would do next. And DeepSeek didn't disappoint. They used their newfound power responsibly, partnering with leading organizations to tackle some of the world's most pressing challenges. DeepSeek had arrived, and the future of AI had never looked brighter. So there you have it, the incredible story of DeepSeek, from humble beginnings to world-changing breakthroughs. These guys took on the tech world and came out on top, and their journey is far from over. Who knows what amazing things they'll accomplish next? If you know any DeepSeek secrets, drop them in the comments below. Hit that like button if you want more stories about the most innovative companies out there. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on the next upload. Peace out.